When designing a building, there are many factors for architects to consider, including selecting a smoke control system. Almost every building will require smoke control, and these invisible systems are designed to keep us safe throughout the day. The type of building and how it is used can determine the best solution, whether it is natural ventilation, mechanical ventilation, or smoke pressurization. We understand its primary objective never changes: to extract smoke and create safe escape routes in the event of a fire. Kingspan Light and Air offers a wide range of products and solutions to suit all smoke control requirements for both new buildings and refurbishments. Our experts understand smoke control and use the latest technology, including computer fluid dynamics, to design systems that are compliant and, critically, that work in the event of smoke being detected. Whether you are working on a building refurbishment or a new construction, we can design a smoke control solution to meet any project requirements. Kingspan Light and Air, naturally performing environments. Download Understanding Smoke Control Guide to find out more about Kingspan Light and Air smoke control systems.